Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how I removed this whole cable right here, the charging cable for the Nissan Leaf. This is a 2013 Leaf. I disconnected the negative battery, and then I went inside the car and disconnected the main battery, and then I put on those anti-static anti-shock gloves, and then I removed all these bolts. 2, 3, 4. It looks like it might be 4 on each side, 3 on this side. So almost like 14 to 16 bolts. Once I removed all those bolts, then I had to take this whole cover off. So what I did was I got a pry bar and I put it in through there, and I hammered it until I finally broke the seal all around, because they put a bunch of like glue to seal this. So I broke the seal. It was really hard. I had to like kind of like put a screwdriver's type thing in there. I don't know if I damaged it at all, but I don't think so. And then once you take that cover off, it won't come off because it hits right here on the firewall thingy. So what I did was I opened this up right here, and then I think there was some screws. No, I think it was just, now I don't remember. I think it might have been some clips here, but I know I did open that up. Yeah, look, you can see it's kind of loose. I think I might have even broke it there, or someone else broke it. I don't know. I think there's screws or clips that you have to take off there. Once you get that, it'll be loose enough where it can kind of like move this up and then pull apart this cover. So once you get that hard part off, the easier part is to disconnect this. So it's only four bolts on there. You unplug this. You disconnect all these other clips as well, and then once you get over to the back of it snakes all the way right there. You can see it snaking over there, and then it goes all the way to the back. The back part is a little hard to take off, but I mean, it just clips and stuff. And then once you get to the back part, you unscrew this, and then it's just 2 screws that hold the negative and the positive. If you don't remember which one's the negative is, just put a what do you call it, some tape on there so you can know that's the negative. And it's it, just 3, one here, I think, one other screw here, and the whole piece comes out. And then you just put the new one in there and screw these 3 back in there, connect this back on there, clip on the clips, and clip this in, put this through, and then put the 4 screws. See, and mine had broke because you could see how it's broken inside there on that one. All the other ones are good. Those 2 are good. The one in the back is broken, so that's why I had to switch mine. And that's it. And then you just put everything back together.